Now let's set the back button in the action bar. So open user profile activity, and just below setting the title of the activity, first of all we have to enable the back button. So we have to write get support action bar dot set display home as up enabled and make it true. Then after that we will have to get into the manifest file, and from there we have to set the parent of the user profile activity, because if we are pressing the back button there should be a parent activity which should open up. And if you want to use this back button in all the activities, then for all the activities you will have to set the parent activity. So let's start with the delete profile activity, and I will add metadata, then Android name. Here we have to write android.support.parent activity. And then we have to define the value, and the value is the main activity. In the same way we have to define the parent activity for all the activities if you want to have the back button in all of them. I'm just going to do it quickly. You can take your time and define the parent activity for all the activities. And as a heads up, after logging in the app, the parent activity should be the user profile activity. For all the rest of the activities like update profile, upload picture, delete profile, update email, update password, and if we are not logged in, then the activities like login activity, registered activity, forgot password activity, the parent of these three activities should be the main activity. So accordingly you can define the parent activity in the manifest file. So let's get back to the code and scroll down to the part where we have overridden on options item selected, and here we have to add one more condition, that is if id equals android.r.id .home. In that case we have to navigate from the same task to the parent activity. So we have to write nav utils dot navigate up from same task, and here the source activity is the user profile activity. And also you will have to define on options item selected method in all the activities in which you are using the back button, and then you will have to set display home as up enabled and make it true in all the activities, and then the back button will be working fine. So in the same way do for all the activities. You can do that by yourself.